Hello traders, this is Petko Aleksandrov, and in this short video I will make an overview for the Expert Advisor Studio that we have on our website at EA Forex Academy. So you can find the software right here when you click on software and the drop down menu. The first program is Expert Advisor Studio, the second one is Forex Strategy Builder. Okay, so Expert Advisor Studio is web-based. You can use it on your computer, laptop, tablet, even phone. And since it is web-based, you can use it on different browsers, which will help you to generate strategies for different assets or different time frames at the same time. What you will see first is the home page where you can see my other videos. This is a complete course that I have recorded for EA Studio. So everyone that uses the free trial will be able to get used with EA Studio faster. Here is the free trial. You can register for it from right over here, and then you just log in into your profile. Okay, and the second tab we have, this is the generator. This is where we can generate strategies over different historical data from the brokers. You can see I have many resources right over here. By default, you will see MetaTrader demo, which is very good historical data. And below you can select the symbol, the time frame you want to trade. And when you click on start, you will see how many strategies are being calculated. You will see the balance chart of the top one for the moment, and all strategies go into the collection. This is where we can filter the strategies and select which ones we want to use. Now, the speed of EA Studio is really unique. You can see these are actual strategies calculated at the moment. I will stop it now and I will show you some more of the generator. So below we have the strategy properties. From here you can set how many entry lots you want to trade. You can enter any number, and then you have the range for the stop loss and take profit. So for example, if you want to use always a stop loss, you select always use. You have the option may use and do not use. For type, you have the three options: fixed, trailing, fixed or trailing. I will leave it to fixed, and you can select the range from 10 to 100 pips. If I leave it the same with the take profit, this means that all generated strategies, they will have stop loss and take profit somewhere between 10 and 100 pips. Below is the generator settings, from where we can set how long time we want the generator to work, and we have the acceptance criteria. After that you can select your search best. If you leave it to net balance, it means that on the top in the collection you will see the strategies with most net balance. We have the out of sample, which I will explain in the next videos in the course, and we have acceptance criteria, from where we actually filter all these strategies that are being generated. You can select different acceptance criteria as well. I will talk about that in details in the course. After the generator is ready, you will see all your strategies into the collection. You have the option to click on each one and see the indicators inside. What are the parameters, what is the stop loss, what is the take profit. As well, you have a lot of statistics. You can see a great indicator chart which describes where exactly the trades were open, where they were closed, at what bar exactly we have the entry, and you can analyze this way the chart. You have a balance chart and a journal with all trades that happened. Okay, as a statistical information, we have much of information, backtest output, and you have some charts that will help you understand more about the strategy. All the strategies could be filtered more in the collection, adding different validation criteria. Okay, if you want to remove the strategy, you can simply remove it from the X button. If you want to trade with a strategy, you can export it with one click as an expert advisor for MetaTrader 4 and for MetaTrader 5. As well, we have the option to add it to a portfolio, and we can add different strategies into a portfolio and export from here a portfolio expert advisor. This means that with one expert advisor, you will be trading many strategies simultaneously and you will achieve much better equity line. Now, if you have your own strategy that you are trading so far and you want to automate it, you can use Expert Advisor Studio and add the different entry and exit conditions. You can set a stop loss and a take profit, and from add a new entry rule, you can build your strategy and see the results immediately in the balance chart. This will help you to analyze your strategy before even practicing on a demo account. You don't need months to test the strategy before you realize if it is a losing strategy or not. With EA Studio, when building your strategy, you will see what is the balance chart and you will save a lot of time to test this strategy. In tools, you can set your account settings, the trading session you want to use, correlation analysis, some general settings, which I will explain as well in the course. We have a very nice help with each instrument, and when you click on it, you will see detailed information with some pictures and instructions. So if something is not clear to you, you can look for it in the help and you will find the information that you need. I wish you to enjoy the course. If you have any questions along, don't hesitate to drop them in our trading forum. Cheers!